Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and to add an emoji, let's first add a page so that we would have something that we could work on. So click on the add page button right there, and then from here, if you want to add an emoji as an icon, then what you need to do is click on the add icon button right here at the top. So click on that, and then you would need to choose your emojis that you want right here. So for example, we'll go for this one. And then it would be now set into this emoji right here. As you can see, the icon at the left side is also indicated right here, which is an emoji. And then from here, if you want to put it something right here, so maybe you're writing something and you need an emoji, then what you can do is type in slash and then go for emoji, search for that, and then you want to click on this option right here. Click of that, and then you would need to select your emoji. So for example, we would want something like this one right there. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.